Do you have any people you can invite?
I just invited them. Let's see. Oh, we got Sage.
Yeah, let's freaking go. The guy I invited didn't come.
No.
We got Sage. Let's go, Sage. Sage, we will take care of you, sir.
Yeah.
You will be an angry pirate someday.
He's like, he looks like you, regular fit, but like he
looks like me?
Has her just waist. Like hair's all white, and technically bleached. Wearing some partial, what are those called? Like waders.
Yeah. Yep. This looks just like me.
Yeah.
Hair bleached.
Body bleached a little bit too. All bleached. Yeah. Alright, Unicorn, and what are you playing? Yeah.
I don't know. You okay?
Did you hear that?
Is everything okay?
That's the city. That's all.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
I heard that.
That's crazy.
Okay, so let's see. I think we were going to do something specific, weren't we?
No. We were just getting your mojo back.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Mojo.
Yes.
Mojo Jojo.
Oh, this is your JoJo Mo?
Well, I also have to do it for a quest, but yeah,
Okay.
like this guy's my mojo for sure. Not my only mojo. I have multiple mojos. So this is gonna be fun with you. Oh my god, we're gonna just like.
Well, look at Sages for alligator. That's gnarly.
Huh?
Sages for alligator?
Yeah, is this guy rich? Who is this guy?
Yeah, great. Money man.
Well, I'm gonna have to friend him up after this. He accepted immediately. Like that was cool. All right.
That was cool. But he was also, I think he was the person who didn't accept last time.
Okay. Hey, you and me. I think that's a good way to start, actually.
Yes.
Like sometimes it's good for us to split up, but right now, let's bully rush him.
I got their food.
Nice, you're so freaking good.
That always makes me happy. Get away.
I'm good. Don't feel like you gotta protect me.
You're my bug.
You're my unicorn. Get away. You get away.
I can't have their blueberries after they're dead.
No, you can't have their blueberries at all anymore.
No, I had their blueberry earlier.
No, we... Really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I didn't know. I don't know what the blueberry rules are anymore.
I don't either.
But, like, it's definitely less favorable when you're attacking them.
Yeah.
You keep eating all their food. You're awesome.
Yeah.
This is the one.
This is gonna be good one.
Yeah, this is the one.
I can feel it.
Yeah. I mean, it's not ranked, so, but it is also we got our mojo back because like.
Yeah.
We honestly kind of did it wrong, if you think about it.
Really?
we were trying to get our achievements in ranked, and we should have just gotten those in casual, and then gotten our mojo. But
No, I totally agree.
yeah, well, I guess we haven't had that many times to really experience that. So.
Yeah, it was like fun. Like I kind of recognized we were doing a little out of order, but this is
Yeah. Agreed. Agreed. Yeah. Okay. We need people in the north, I guess.
I'll get over there eventually.
Where are you? Who are you?
In the south.
You're
Hey,
over
who?
there. I'll get over there in about 2 seconds.
Oh. I rule the map.
You really do.
Yeah. Got my agility.
And I don't think there's enough people that play that character for people to complain. So, like, you've got this without getting nerfed for a while, I think.
Maybe, yeah. I wouldn't doubt it.
Well, actually, there's like so many characters now that, and I think it's so monetarily based that they're like nerfing less often. You know?
I don't know. I have no idea.
They
You're
want,
such.
they want you to buy them. Buy me.
So they aren't getting nerfed because they're.
Well, I'm sure there's still nerfs, but like, I think ones that are like way higher up on the little ranking thing are less often targeted. Because way less people play them, and so there's not.
Yeah, you should have said there's coin, man. There's some money up on here.
Where?
Where you? Oh, sorry, you're not Venusaur. My bad. I don't know why I said that. My bad.
Where's the money? Tell me.
You're like, excuse me.
You still haven't told me.
Oh, cheeseburgers. Well, I ate them all, and then I died.
Okay.
So
That's
kind of
horrible.
Yeah.
Worst thing ever.
It's okay. I was with Sage, so he's still alive. So.
Sage looks like he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. He spent the money on it. He was tutored.
He reflected on his gameplay.
He went to camp. Yeah, or that. Boop.
Oh.
No. Yeah, I hate messing with.
Well, good for them. They needed a little push. Mm-hmm. That was cool.
Hey, you. Oh, wait, we have like 40 seconds, and
Dude, nice.
what are you supposed to do? I don't want to go
I'm like
back to.
holding them for Venusaur. Oh my goodness, that is such a cool like combo. I would like hold them and then he would like zap them with his cannon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
That was very effective. I'm gonna hang out with Venusaur from now on. Boom. Again. Let's go.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Alright, so middle, right?
Yep.
Okay, good job. I like you. You're the best. Ooh.
Alright, and then we eat it up. Eat. Yeah. Let's go.
Whoa, Lex, you were like a general.
I kind of feel that way. Come on, guys, this way.
This is amazing. This is screen recorded by you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like you send me this video and I'll attach our audio to it.
Yes. Yes.
And this will be Lex Bottle.
Lex Bottle.
Cause I mean like I'm doing okay, but I mean maybe we can have actually that could be like kind of a fun little meta too. It's like the same game with two different follows.
Maybe, yeah.
Same audio. You're gonna hear the same audio. And if you're cool with it, then fine. Or you just pick your player.
Alright. Well, I'm done for the evening, so it's all up to you. Or like I have 10 seconds, or I have 20 seconds left to not play.
Well, I think we're.
Get him. Airbnb.
All right. Well, that's the end. We're just gonna cut off the stream there and pretend we didn't lose.
5, 4, 3,
What?
2, 1.
We didn't.
I know. But it feels like you lose when you like die at the very end. Like
True. That's like a weird. What? Sage got better than me? Come on. I was so badass.
Wow.
He was following me around. I got proof.
Hey, Lexi, I got better than you too. Well,
Yeah,
not really. You had 15 assists. That's pretty cool. I actually think this would be a great game for us to do that dual thing. Like same audio, two different video.
Yeah, 100%.
Because like, look at that. We're pretty close. And good job, Sage. We had a good friend there.
Yes.
We had a good team. Holy moly!
I know this was legit. This was a good game.
I actually even like Ciel. Like he kicked butt too.
Yeah. I'll be his friend. I like.
Yeah.
Dang, you had the most recovered. Good job.
Sage's friends are full. I can't be friends with him.
What? That's crazy. I didn't know that was a thing.
I didn't either.
I'm not full on friends. And I get invited a lot.
I know.
I got some friends.
Okay, so like someday we're gonna have to curate our friends. Wow.
Yes. Well, the bum mom gets to stay for sure.
Oh yeah, the bum mom, Moose.
Yeah, that's right.
Dino time or whatever.
Dino is Sambo. Is Abysmal. Dino Abysmal.
Yeah, Abysmal Dino.
There you go. Nice. Okay.
Oh, I didn't even check out my stats. I didn't look at anything.
Oh, I checked out my stats. I checked out our stats for us. Don't worry.
You did? All right, so we're definitely watching your video.
Yeah, it was a good game.
It's gonna have more views. Yours is gonna have way more views. Same audio, 2 different videos.